on one of my favorites. She's been performing with the Classic City Kings for a long-ass time, and she's been performing in general for a long-ass time. She's a badass bitch. You guys should give her your money and your respect and your attention, because she's one of the most fucked up bitches in Athens. She deserves it. I love her dearly. Her name is Miss Alice D.
Dog goes woof, cat goes meow, bird goes tweet, and mouse goes squeak. Cow goes moo, frog goes crow, and the elephant goes toot. Ducks say quack, and fish go blub, and the seal goes ow, ow, ow. But there's one sound that no one knows. What does the fox say? Chasing mice and digging holes, tiny paws up the hill. Suddenly you're standing still. Your fur is red, so beautiful, like an angel in disguise. But if you meet a friendly host, will you communicate by more? How will you speak to that?